Yeah, hello friends. This is Sunil Power here, and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see uh, the performance of the demo calls given in this video in this week. See, basically every week I give one demo call, but this week was very special, and this week I had given two demo calls. Monday I had given a free demo call to all social media followers, like on Telegram channel, on YouTube channel, on Facebook page, on Facebook account. Everywhere these calls were released, and almost you can see on Telegram there are 2000 people, 2000 traders, they have seen these calls. So uh, these calls were released on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook. To join this Telegram channel, you need to type t.me slash Sunil Power Option King. T.me slash Sunil Power Option King. If you type in Telegram, you will find this channel very quickly. The name of the channel is Sunil Power Best Option Analyst, but if you search by Sunil Power Best Option Analyst, you may not get this channel. But if you type t.me slash Sunil Power Option King, you will get this channel very quickly. 3832 subscribers are already there. So this was the first demo call that was given on 1st March, special demo, free demo call for 1st March. So this was Monday, and these calls were given. This was Monday. These calls were live market calls, and live market calls were given at 10:43 a.m. Expiry 4th March, date 1st March. These calls were given. You are able to see the calls on screen, and what was the performance. This was the video. So these calls, same calls, were released on YouTube also, and you can see the video here. And then at 1:30 p.m. I updated the performance of the demo call. See, whenever I give demo call, I immediately update, same day I update the performance. Even on YouTube channel, whenever you see any demo call video, you will find the performance video subsequently. I mean, you will immediately find the next video would be the performance video. So 1:30 p.m. I updated the performance on for the 1st March calls, and the performance was like this. Demo call given at 11:26 a.m. This was the time when demo call was given. You can see this 11:26 a.m. You can see, check. We can check this. This is 11:26 a.m. and this call was given. Here we can check the timestamp. We can check the timestamp 11:26 a.m. the call was given, and the same thing is written here. 11:26 the call was given. These calls are advanced calls. So here Nifty put crossed the entry price. Nifty call did not cross the entry price, so we did not enter into Nifty call. Nifty put crossed the entry price at what time? 11:45 a.m. Call was given at 11:26 a.m. Entry price was crossed at 11:45 a.m. and the target was hit by 12:30 p.m. The target was hit by 12:30 p.m. So you can see the complete details on this chart. This was the performance of Nifty. Now let us see the performance of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty put 35,500, entry at 674.14, hit the target of 816. You just see the entry was 674. The target itself was 816. So big target. So these calls are generally give big targets. So the call was given at 11:26. We have seen that timestamp. Entry was 11:43 a.m. same time as Nifty, and target was hit at 12:30 p.m. same as Nifty. So it was a big target. Entry at 674. Target was 861, but the target was hit. Target was 816. It has hit 861. So this was the demo call that is given, and you can see the performance. Later on, the next demo call. See, demo call is what? Demo call means the free call that is given to all the subscribers. See, can you read this? This is, you can see 4th March was weekly expiry. 4th March was weekly expiry. This call, can you see this? This call is given one day before. In the night, 9 p.m. This call was given. This call was given on 3rd March 9 p.m. So this call was advance call, pre-market call, expiry special demo call. See, wherever demo call is written, that call is the live market call. That is the real call that is given to all the subscribers. See, demo call means the call that is given to all the subscribers, and those subscribers can trade that call, or they can track the performance of that call in live market. That is demo call. Demo call means the free call given to the people on social media. So this was the call. 4th March, expiry 4th March. This call was for 4th March, but this call was given on 3rd March 9 p.m. because this was pre-market call. And it was written here. If you can read, that is at 9:04 p.m. 3rd March. These are pre-market calls. If market opens above target tomorrow, then new live calls will be given at 10:30 a.m. So these calls were given one day before, and there was a line, there was one rule. These calls were the pre-market calls. If these calls open above the target next day on 4th March, then new calls will be given. If these calls open above the target, then just ignore these calls and new calls will be given at 10:30 a.m. And this was the video. This is the video that is shared here, because the same calls were released on YouTube, and this is the video you can see. So what happened on 4th March? What happened on 4th March? Today's free demo call, pre-market calls were given yesterday night, but Nifty and Bank Nifty puts opened above target, hence giving live market calls as per rule. So these calls which were given one day before opened above the target. So puts opened above the target. These both the puts, Nifty put 15,250, opened above 114, Bank Nifty put 36,400, opened above 437, and that is why new calls were given. So new calls were given at what time? New calls were given at 10:40 a.m. This is 4th March, and you can see with the timestamp 10:40 a.m. these calls were given. These calls are the new calls. Those were given on social media at 10:40, and these same calls were given to the paid clients at 10:37 a.m. And this is the video. These calls were immediately released on YouTube also. And now let us see the performance of the live market calls. Those were given for 4th of March. Again, the performance, bumper target hit. And how is the performance? This is with the timestamp, with the chart. We can see the call was given at 10:40 a.m. We can see this. The call was given here at 10:40 a.m. Entry was made at 11:10 a.m. 10:40 call was given. Entry made at 11:10 a.m. So this is the call option. Put options did not cross the entry price. That is why we did not enter into puts. We entered into calls because only calls activated, calls crossed the entry price. Entry was 78.85, and they have given bumper target. They have hit 133, that we can see here. So this was the performance for Nifty. Now let us see the performance of Bank Nifty. same thing, 10:40 am calls were given, entry made at 11:10 am, and bank nifty call doubled. Bank nifty call doubled. So this is the performance. You can see the performance was updated at 12:10 p.m. and when the call was given, you can see, I will show you again. Call was given at 10:40 am. This is the call, and this nifty call hit 133. Bank nifty call doubled, it has hit 400. So these are the type of calls, demo calls were given, and this was the performance. And I do not only talk about the performance, the charts are very clear. When the call was given, when the entry was made, and when the target was hit, you can see for nifty and bank nifty. Now if you want to further check this in detail, and if you have not joined this Telegram channel, I will again show you t.me/Sunil Power Option King. T.me Sunil Power Option King. You can t.me/Sunil Power Option King. You can just type, you can join this channel, you can check this performance in detail. And lastly, I have shared some trade notes also. You can see the trade notes. These calls were given, we can see these calls were given at 10:40. These calls were given at 10:40, and lot of people followed these calls. Here we can see 1700 people have seen this call, and then subsequently some traders made trades, and then they earn a profit also, and they have given the comments like this, which you can read. Simply, no words, sir, you are the legend of option market. You can see nifty call, bank nifty call, whichever calls were given, you can cross tally the trades. And these are the demo calls. These were the demo calls. We have discussed demo call of 1st March and 4th March, but now this is the 5th March. On this Telegram channel t.me/Sunil Power Option King, you get the demo calls, performance of demo calls, and what is this 5th March, what is this today's calls to paid clients. This means this call was given to the paid clients, but this call was not given as a demo call. Whenever it is written calls to paid clients, whenever it is written calls to paid clients, it means the calls given to paid clients. To paid clients, every day call is given. Demo call is given only once in a week. Please understand the difference. Demo call is given only once in a week. Where demo call is written, it is a free demo call. It is a free demo call that is written there. You can see special demo call. It is like that, and this is the general performance update. Performance update means these calls were given to the paid clients, not to the not into the social media, but these calls were given to the paid clients, and this is the performance of 5th. Put activated and put hit the target. Nifty put 15,000, bank nifty put activated and hit the target. So here you can check every day there is a profit. Every day there is a profit. You can check, and you can check for each day. Each day performance is updated here. Whichever dates are there, every day there is a performance. You can just join the channel and you can just check the performance. So friends, in this week 2 demo calls were given on 1st and 4th. Both the demo calls are given. Fantastic profit. I have shown you the details when calls were given, when entry price crossed, when targets hit. All the details we have checked. Thanks for watching this video. Share all these channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and this knowledge. Thanks friends.